Hello student, in previous video we discussed about the menstruation cycle or what happens if the egg is not fertilized. The both meaning are same. That if the egg is not fertilized, that means there is a menstruation cycle will run on every month in the female, right? So today we are going to discuss about the reproductive health, right? See, there are many reasons behind the to avoid the pregnancy and even to force for the pregnancy. Many times because of some family pressures, even the female don't want to get a pregnant. At that time also, she has to prepare her mind to have a child, right? Because of some family pressure. In that case, definitely the particular woman will suffer from the stress and other consequences also, right? Many times friends also give the pressure to have a baby. Many times, for example, in government offices or in many private offices also, first they ask to the female that so you should promise that you will not get the pregnant until for the 2 years or the 3 years. Then they will provide the job. So this is a fact. If you go in the metro cities, especially in the IT companies, so they straightly ask you, straightforward, they will ask you that you should not take the chance for the 2 years at least. Then they will provide the job for you, right? So there are many reasons behind this reproductive health. Many times women they are ready to have a child, and many times they don't prepare their mind to have a pregnancy and child. So these are the contractive, you can say, puzzling question and the solution that, but it is ultimately affect on the female's health, right? Though we know that the sexual act, right? Though we know that the sexual act is a major process through that the male and female or couples may have a child, right? But this is also fact that the number of diseases through the sexual act, so number of diseases, right, may transfer from male to female or female to male, right? It depends. For example, if any person is suffering from AIDS, it may be the male or female. When they have a contact in the form of sexual act, so the disease like AIDS, right, will transfer from male to the female. Or if the female is suffering from the AIDS, so the disease AIDS will transfer from female to the male, right? That means the disease like AIDS. AIDS is the name of disease, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is also called as HIV/AIDS, HIV, human virus, right? So this is the name of virus. This is like AIDS, then syphilis, right? Again, gonorrhea, right? These are the disease which can transfer from female to the male partner, right? However, this is through the sexual act, through the sexual process only, right? Syphilis is a bacterial disease. It is generally infect to the genital region or reproductive organ of the female. At that time, if the male partner having the sex with the female, so there is a chances to transfer this disease to the male partner, right? So that's why sexual act may act as a source to transfer the disease from one person to the another person, or from infected person to the healthy person, right? For that purpose there are many methods. For that purpose there are many methods to avoid the pregnancy. That is called as a contraceptive methods, right? Contraceptive methods. As you know, the first method is we can use the mechanical barriers. We can use the mechanical barriers to avoid the pregnancy in female. To avoid the pregnancy in female. First, by wearing, right? By wearing the condom for the penis, right? By wearing the condom on the surface of the penis. So while intercourse in male and female, so whatever the sperms will release through the penis, it will collect in the condom, so that the female can avoid the pregnancy. The female can avoid the pregnancy. The sperms will not enter in the female's body, so there is no question of fertilization and there is no question of the pregnancy, right? This is the one method. Like condom, diaphragm may use for the female, also the penis. Condom will be for male, right? Diaphragm is used for the female. It can be put this in a vagina, just like a penis, and whatever the sperms will release from the male, so it will collect in the diaphragm, and female may avoid the pregnancy. Female may avoid the pregnancy. So this is the one method. First, second, we can take the medicinal. You can say the medicines. Medicine, right? So there are number of medicines are available in the market, right? So these medicines can be taken by orally, right? Taken by the orally for female, right? These are the nothing but the spermatocyte. This medicine will act as a spermatocyte. That means which kill to the sperms. If the female is taking the medicine orally, after taking this medicine, if the male and female having the intercourse, at that time whatever the sperms will release into the female's body, so that will be killed by the medicine. That sperms will be killed by the medicine, so that the female can avoid the pregnancy. Right? So this is a second method, but there is a side effects also. If the female is taking the too much medicine, definitely it may start the bleeding through the vagina, or it may damage to the uterus of the female. Right? It may damage to the uterus of the female. Even other health problems may rise or occur due to the medicinal therapy. Many times female take the medicine like N1-72 medicine. Generally it is well known, that's why I am pronouncing that is N1-72. So it is generally taken by the female and avoid the pregnancy, but this is not good if any female is taking frequently. Maybe doctor prescribe that once in a month. If the female is taking, that may be okay, but if the female is taking like 5, 6 or 10 times in a month, so that definitely it will harm to the female's body, right? So this is the second method, right? Now the third one is copper T, right? Copper T, right? So why it is called copper T? Because the device is just like a T made by the copper. So this copper T is placed, this is placed in the uterus, right? Uterus of the female, right? This is a figure, right? This is the ovary, for example, and this is the uterus. Through the vagina, so here doctors place the copper T in the uterus, right? So even after the fertilization, whatever the zygote will form, it will reach up to the uterus, it will be degraded by the copper T instrument which is placed in the uterus of the female's body, and the female may avoid the pregnancy. The female may avoid the pregnancy. Now there are also side effects of the copper T. There is a side effect of copper T. Those women which are bearing the or having a copper T in their uterus, it may start the irritation. It may start the irritation to the vagina, right? It may start the irritation to the vagina, right? So the vagina may have an infection from the organism because of this copper T, because of the copper T. So this is the third method which can be used to avoid the pregnancy, right? Now the last and fourth one is the surgical method. Surgical method, right? As we know, in male, the vas deferens tube is transfer the sperms from testes to the penis and in the female's body, right? Though we know that urethra is a common passage for sperms and the urine, but the main function of vas deferens is to transfer the flow of sperms from testes, right? So in surgical method, this was for the male. In case of male, the vas deferens, right? Vas deferens tube is cut and bind with the thread so that whatever the sperms will release, for example, release from the testes, it will not reach up to the female's body, right? So for example, this is a vas deferens, maybe this is a testes, and if this is a vas deferens tube, so this tube we cut from here and it will be bind by threads, right? So whatever the sperms will come out from the testes, sexual sensation, sexual feelings will be similar even if it is cutted or by the surgical method. So whatever the sperms will release from the testes, it will go into the male's body only and it will come out through the excretory system or it get degraded in the male body, but it will not reach to the penis in the female's body. It will not reach through the penis to the female's body. So we can avoid the pregnancy by doing the surgical method by cutting the vas deferens tube in the male. This is also called as a vasectomy. This is also called as a vasectomy, right? Now in female, under the surgical method, in female, as we know, in fallopian tube, the eggs will come out from the one of the ovaries, right? From the one of the ovaries. That means the fallopian tube will be cut, and whatever the eggs will release. For example, this is the ovary and this is the fallopian tube. So this fallopian tube will cut. So when the eggs coming from the ovary, it will come here. It will not reach up to the sperms. If the sperms is coming from here, for example, this is the vagina, right? If the sperms is coming from here, even this egg will not reach to the sperms, and there will not be a fertilization between the between the sperms and the egg. So by using the surgical method, we can avoid the pregnancy in the female. We can avoid the pregnancy in the female, right? But many times, because of this surgical method, many people they may take the misuses as the abortion, even the sex determination, whether the growing baby is a boy or girl. This kind of test may occur or takes place by the many people. So this method may misused by the people. So we should not do such kind of test. This is the illegal. This is the banned by the government, right? So we can avoid the pregnancy for if we want to like abort this growing baby from a female's body. It's not an easy job, as we know, it may give a lot of pain. Even we cannot imagine the pain whatever the feel by the female's body, right? For that purpose, we may go under the different method to avoid the pregnancy in the female. By using the condom for the male and female, also different for the female. Even by taking some medicines, even by putting the copper T in the uterus, and by surgical methods. But we should not go for any sex determination method or for abortion, right? So this is the last point of this chapter, that is how the organism reproduce, and the point is reproductive health, and also we can call it as a contraceptive method to avoid the pregnancy in the female, right? If you have any problem regarding this, so text me on my personal WhatsApp number. In this way, we have completed the revision also on the chapter, that is how to organism reproduce. So next time I will record for the new chapter. Thank you.